Welcome to Casa Guatemala's Children's Village. Located on the shores of the Rio Dulce in the municipality of Livingston and the department of Izabal, some 275 kilometers from the capital city of Guatemala City, Casa Guatemala is an oasis in the middle of the jungle that is a paradise for over 200 children every year. Casa Guatemala is only accessible by boat. We are off-grid and rely on our solar panels and our generator to create our own energy. If this is your first time visiting, welcome! First, you're going to come to our offices and our bodegas. Our teachers live on site in the house that we have adjacent to the office, and the rest of our staff also lives within the properties. In front, we have a playground and our kindergarten classes with our pre-kinder and kinder classes. Also, we have our boys' house, our girls' house, and our art class. And of course, we can't forget about these guys, our kids. Every year, we are joined by children from over 30 different villages. About half the children live on site at Casa Guatemala, going home on vacations and long weekends. The other half come every day, either by our boat or walking from their villages that are close by. Thanks to your donations that we receive from around the world, we are able to provide pre-kinder through grade 6 classes on site through donations and our team of volunteers who join us every year to help us with our work. We are able to provide these important services of education, nutrition, and health care. We do not receive any funding from the government. Our school is a registered private school, but our families only pay a minimal symbolic payment of a baby chicken and 25 quetzales, which is around $3 per family. Every day, all of the children receive 3 healthy meals and 2 nutritious snacks, thanks to the funds and the donations of goods that we receive from our international and local donors. Thanks to volunteers like Mote from the Living Water Children's Fund, we are able to benefit from the skills and expertise from people from all around the world. This video of drone footage wouldn't be possible without his expertise as a professional drone photographer. It's amazing that we're able to share with you this footage so that those of you who haven't been to Casa Guatemala can see firsthand just how magical of a place it is. The expanse of our work, the upkeep it takes to keep it going, wouldn't be possible without you. So please, this season of giving, help us to continue our important work. Together we are changing the world, one child at a time. And we can't do it without you.